Hi, I'm Benedetta, I'm an Italian nurse. I've been suffering from fibromyalgia since 2018. During these 4 years, I've tried different kind of medications and therapy. I take medication every day just to prevent the pain. 2 months ago, I had the privilege to try the Magneto Therapy, thanks to Medical Tourism Italy, to see if it can work and help with my disease.
Can you explain a bit the program that you followed during those 2 weeks with the Magneto Therapy?
Sure. I had 2 sessions a day, in the morning and night before sleeping. Each sessions lasted like 1 hour. I mean, it was really relaxing because I just laid down on the bed and just waited for the program and the machine to work. The Magneto Therapy is like a machine connected to an antenna. This antenna sends like magnet impulses, magnet waves, and these waves go through the body just to help the process in our cell. There are different kinds of antennas, and I tried the circle one. Moreover, there are different keys. These keys are like actual keys you put in the machine, and every key corresponds to a different program for different types of diseases. For example, I had my program called Fibromyalgia. Every program has a different time to stay with this antenna, different power of the waves, the magnet waves. There are many types of programs, for example, the immune system, CRPS, fibromyalgia, but also like inflammatory disease, if you have had some trauma in your body, in every part of the body actually. These antennas can be very little, just to focus in a particular place. I used for my fibromyalgia, I used it in the part where I usually have more pain. But there are also other antennas that can include all the body, so this could help every process of the body and work in a deeper way.
What would you say were the changes that you felt after using the machine?
Well, just after using the machine, I felt better. Actually, my pain was less and I could sleep better. That's why many times I fell asleep during the treatment and just woke up in the morning. The pain was less for just the day after, but also after a week. I only think it would be better to follow the treatment for more than 2 weeks with fibromyalgia, because you know it's a disease that affects all the body, so it takes time to feel better and to have effects that could last in time. I hadn't spasm after the treatment because I usually have a spasm or rigidity in my muscles. This is the better effect I had. And of course, this spasm and rigidity usually causes me pain. So for the next weeks, I had a very lower pain compared to what I usually feel.
Would you recommend it to patients, not only for fibromyalgia, but just, any other illness that they might be dealing with?
Yeah, I think Magneto Therapy could help to improve the outcomes of every other kind of treatment for every disease. So if it's used linked to other treatments, you can have better results. So not just with fibromyalgia, but as I told you before, also with CRPS. So the patients during the treatment, the infusion, physiotherapist session, the patient can use this treatment during night while he or she is at the hotel, just to improve the results of the other treatments and also to feel better sooner. It will go always better with this treatment because they are studying different types of waves and to adjust the power of the waves, the magnetic waves, according to every kind of disease. So I think it will always go better, and thanks also the perception of the patients itself.